Today I thought I'd give you a quick look at the Zoje ZJ662 Coverseamer, and this is model number 1-356-BD, and this is a cylinder arm machine. We've got this cylinder type arm here. It's otherwise known as like a free arm. Let's get you a little bit of a side on view here. We've got the free arm here. So really good for the likes of sleeves and pant legs and whatnot. So you can put your tubular work over the end here. I've done a video on the flatbed version of this, so that's why I'm not going to go into too much detail on this particular machine. I'll link that in up here somewhere and also in the description below. Now I'm out in the garage again today, so apologies for any background noise and whatnot. And if you can see my breath, it's because it's cold today. It's freezing. The looper thread came unthreaded just as I was pulling things through. It came unthreaded, so I thought I'd just quickly show you that. Yeah, in a nutshell, we've got the hand wheel up here for manually turning the machine over. We've got the tension discs here. We've got 3 needle thread tensions. I've got it threaded in black on the needles, and then we've got the top cover tensioner that's threaded in grey, and the lower looper there in white. Oil filler on the top there with a little oil sight glass, pump sight glass there. We've got around the back here, we've got pressure foot pressure there. Also got access to the arm area just by pulling that door back there, and then there's a slider on the top here. Pull that back, and also a little door access here. So really good for maintenance and whatnot, cleaning. Anyway, that looper thread, I just thought I'd show you how accessible this looper is. I'll turn the machine so the looper's right back. It's already threaded up as far as the actual looper. Let's pull a bit of thread through here. Straight through there. Straight through the looper eye here. Just like that there. And that's ready to go there. So we'll close up this slider here and close the door. I did unthread the needle eyes because I just had to tie on thread and pull thread through, so the knots won't go through the needle eyes there. So I'll just quickly go ahead and thread that up, and then I'll give you a quick demo. So I've threaded the needles there, and I've just started off a seam here. I'm going to feed in this polar fleece here, 2 layers of polar fleece. Might have to lift the presser foot. I'll just lift the presser foot slightly just to get the fabric started there under the foot there, and away we go. And you can see there that it's chaining out at the back there. And there we have the seam there. So that's a grey cover on the top there, and the 3 black needle threads, and also the white cover on the bottom there. I might just need to adjust the tension there just slightly. Yeah, that's looking pretty good there. Should be able to buzz down here, see if we can. Yep, that's going to take there. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, there we go. That's the bottom there, and that's the top there. We've also got 2 controls here for this. Is the adjustment for the stitch length, so anti-clockwise to make the stitch length shorter and clockwise to make the stitch length longer. And this lever here on the right hand side, that is the differential feed adjustment there. So you undo this lock nut here and then raise this to do a gather, and lower this to do a stretch stitch. And when you've got it set to where you want it, you just do up the lock nut there. The manual's pretty good actually. The first page is in Chinese. I was a bit worried when I first opened it, but no worries. We've got English here and Chinese language here as well. You know, pretty clear instructions really. I mean, it's pretty much par for the course these days, I would say. Nice and clear, easy to read. So yeah, that's just a real quick one today. I thought I'd give you a quick look at the Zoje Coverseamer. As I say, I've done videos on the flatbed version and also videos on how to assemble the stand and the table, you know, mount the machine onto the table itself. So yeah, I'll link those in. And I'd like to say thank you very much to my patrons on Patreon. Thank you very much for helping support the channel, and thank you very much for watching.